USS Chicago, actual to dry dock shelter. We have a go.
DDS hangar flooded. Full pressure.
Begin deployment.
Team 1, STV is away. Hotel 6, bearing 019er.
USS Dallas deploying Team 2. RV at the objective.
Hotel 6, depth 20 meters.
Team 2 at the objective.
Хватит смолить эту дрань. Легкие посадишь.
We'll take them both out.
Чем
On your go.
подольешь? Вот,
Отвали!
это ли. Вижу морской воздух.
Two hostiles out in Section 1 Alpha. Moving up to Section 2. Roger that, Hotel 6. Keep it tight, people. Ready weapons. Move up. Coalition water right in. Free to engage. Suppress weapons only. We're clear. Civilian hostages at your position. Watch your fire. Roger that. Team 1 moving to breach. We're clear.
Precious cargo secured in Section 2 Echo.
Roger that, Hotel 6. Team 2 will secure an evac. Get topside and find the rest of the civvies. Okay, move upstairs. Control, we're advancing to Deck 2. Get topside, we got this area covered. Eyes open, watch your sectors. Enemy helo patrolling the perimeter. Keep a low profile, Hotel 6. Roger that. Enemy helo, get out of sight. Move. Hotel 6, more hostages are at your position. Copy that. All Deck 2 hostages secured.
Группа 5, прием! Ответьте базе! Мать, ты там? Ответь базе! Вызываем группу вниз.
Enemy radio. I think we're gonna have company, sir. Set up a plan B. Get some C4 on those bodies. Go.
Группа 5, ответьте базе! Прием! Повторяю, группа 5, ответьте базе!
C4, please, sir. Get to an elevated position. We'll ambush them when they discover the bodies. hold your fire until they're closer. Stand by. Stand by.
Лейтенант, мне нужна поддержка с воздуха через 10 минут! И никаких оправданий!
Bravo. 10 companies to take the top deck ASAP so they can send in the Marines. Move.
Черт! Танки второго взвода! Вы что, на походе? У нас не будет помощи! Минимально пару часов! Зовите врача сюда! Он убегает!
Сержант, что слышно на правом фланге?
Брешь на правом фланге! Возьмите лучших бойцов и убейте его! У нас потери!
Hotel 6 hostages from lower decks are being extracted by Team 2. Proceed to the top deck ASAP to secure the rest. Over. Copy that. We're working on it. Out. Topside and secure any remaining hostages before we call in the Marines.
Что слышно на правом фланге?
Man down. Keenan, split up. Moving and flank back as always. Tango down. Roach, cover me. Roll up. Targets on the move.
I have a visual.
Противник прямо перед нами!
Target neutralized. Ghost. Target at 11 o'clock. I'm gonna shoot you down while on the side.
По левому флангу!
Let's go. Those hostages aren't gonna rescue themselves. I have a visual. Move up. Copy that. I'm on it.
Атакуйте их справа и попробуйте взять пленного!
Ghost.
Практически прямо передо мной!
Popping smoke. Hotel 6, be advised. The hostages have been confirmed at your location along with possible explosives. Over. Copy that. All teams check your fire.
У нас есть 2 часа на подавить обороны! Продолжайте атаковать! Российская перестрелка!
Политики опасно дают. Требуют приказания.
Clear. Room clear. Control. All hostages have been secured. I repeat, all hostages secured. Proceeding to LZ Bravo. Over. Good job, Hotel 6. Marine reinforcements are inserting now to dismantle the SAM sites. Get your team ready for Phase 2 of the operation. Out. Hunter 2-2, this is Punisher Actual. Go flat secure. All EOD teams are cleared for landing.
Roger, Punisher. Hunter 2-2, copy all. Punisher, this is Phoenix 1-1, final 2 S-15 to grid 257.
Punisher, all flights in the vicinity of grid 255202. Local airspace is secure. I repeat, local airspace is secure. Proceed on course to target area along route November 2.
Punisher, this is Hunter Actual. Hunter 2-2. Stand side in the southwest corner of main deck. Hunter 2-3, proceeding towards the Derrick building to disarm the explosives.
Punisher Actual to all strike teams. All SAM sites neutralized. Repeat, all SAM sites have been neutralized. Blue sky in effect.
Six fleets mopping up. Time to move in. Long history of this building. Not much of it pretty. Started out as a castle with an actual dungeon, built to withstand any siege. The building survived every brutal winter. The occupants, they weren't so lucky. The monastery didn't survive the purges. Over the last century has played host to anyone the government didn't want but couldn't kill. The place is filled with living casualties of the last war, which I swear I thought we'd won. And I suppose it's all a day of the races. You back the losing horse and this is where you end up. 627's the piece of meat Makarov wants, so let's cut him loose.